Okay, we are live. So this is day number 12 and 30 minutes starts right now. The issue where I left on last time was the connection between Zoho and Shopify. For some reason, when I'm trying to set up the MX records, it doesn't allow me to add MX records for whatever reason. Okay. Email configuration max add 10. Okay, so this is the issue. I can confirm email forwarding is not allowed for this domain, so that was the issue where I got blocked last time. That's what I'm gonna be fixing today. Shopify. I mean, ChatGPT wasn't of any help because this, I think, is something new. It wasn't like this before. Set up email forwarding. How to set up email forwarding? I don't think I need an email forwarding. I need to connect, but it's start setting domain DNS set customer contact. That's where you go from. Yeah, let's try to use Cloud. CLAUD Cloud. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Continue. I am trying to set up custom domain email with Shopify. Domain email URCJCD Shopify. Since Shopify doesn't have integrated email service, I am using Zoho, which when I try to connect using MX or the Shopify THR throws this error. I mean, ChatGPT wasn't of any help regarding this issue, so I'm trying Cloud. Of course, Shopify has restriction on email forwarding for domain purchase through their platform. Here are several ways to resolve this. Change DNS management to Zoho. The most straightforward solution is to point your DNS to Zoho instead of using Shopify DNS. Manage domain. If you need to keep Shopify managing your domain, set up email address directly in Zoho without using MX servers through your domain. Okay, so most straightforward solution is to point your domain's DNS to Zoho instead of using Shopify DNS. Okay, change domain, change DNS management to Zoho. Okay, let's see what the instructions say. Admin domains, I'm already here. So domain manage name, change the name server to Zoho name server. Okay, where is the name server? Name server action, edit my Shopify, edit. What do I enter though? What do I enter? I am following option 1. You'll need to update the name server rather than just seeing on record. However, if you are seeing CNAME, fill the setup. If you are setting, this is too complicated, man. If you are setting up CNAME records in Zoho DNS, for your main domain name, replace with your actual Shopify store URL. Okay, I'm gonna replace that action is proof.com. I think I don't want to break this thing because this is a bit technical. CNAME. This is CNAME tax records. What is it saying? Let me just send a screenshot. This is what I see, to be honest. How long has it been? Man, this issue has been taking so long to fix. And there is no documentation on this because this is some new stuff. Check this out. What do I need to change? What do I need to change? But you have the zoho verification text already added to complete the setup and get your remote booking. You need to add MX records. What you need to add custom records. This is, I've already tried this. Setup looks good for okay. And now I'm gonna send this screenshot when I try to add MX record. At point to where is it? Point to this priority 10 confirm. This is the issue I'm seeing. Copy here. This is what I see when I attempt to add MX residue. We are live streaming. Damn, 7 minutes. This comes from the Shopify doesn't allow MX server to purchase through them. That's exactly the restriction I mentioned. You have a few options to work around. Transfer domain to another registrar recommended. Namecheap. Okay, unlock the domain. Shopify get transfer code. Initial transfer. Okay, so if you purchase a domain with Shopify, you can't set up an email address. That is messed up. Wow. Okay. Cancel this. Settings. Server name, no, nothing to do with that. Okay, so I have a Namecheap account. Namecheap. Let's see if I can log in. Nope. Nope. Oh, this is not gonna work. Reset. So let's reset. Okay. Received. Save. Continue. Okay. Dashboard. What is happening? Okay, verification code sent to email. unlock domain in Shopify. Get transfer code, initiate transfer. Give me steps for this. Okay, domain list. Okay, so I don't have anything here. Good. How do we transfer? Okay, how do you transfer? Look at the domain, online show domain. Look for transfer domain. Look for transfer domain. Okay, let's see. Domains. Connect. Transfer domain. This is the one. Transfer domain to Shopify. When you transfer domain to Shopify from your current provider, you'll manage your domain setting and get billed for renewal through Shopify account moving forward. Domain. This is the one. Domain already registered with Shopify. The domain is already registered with Shopify and linked to your domain settings. Transfer. Doesn't have anything about transfer to another provider. Your domain must be registered for at least 30 before you can transfer. It will be available to transfer. Oh my July. Oh my god. So I can't even transfer the email forwarding. That is the only option they have. Create a forwarding email and connect it to existing inbox to access incoming emails. Okay. To email hosting. To send and receive email from Shopify managed domain. Connect. Okay. Zoom. I already tried this. That's the thing. There is no solution to this at the moment. Email configuration. Domain. TX. Where do I find this ID? Okay, so once you create a Zoho, look for instruction on domain verification. Copy Zoho code. Okay, where do I find Zoho code? As domains. More. Zoho user ID. Is that the one? My account Zoho code. Oh my goodness. I don't have the OTP yet. I don't have this email. Come on, man. Why does it need to be so complicated? I don't even have this email. How do I verify it? Okay. Zoho settings, Zoho ID. Where do I find? Click profile picture located in the okay profile picture. Okay, my account is that maybe this is the one. Let me try this. No, it needs to be ZB, right? No, that's not the one. Close this, close this, close this, close this. Account ID. Okay, I'm gonna send this to Shopify, not the Shopify. I'm gonna send it to Cloud. I am setting up this way. How do I connect to listing Zoho accessibility? Around 15 minutes. Okay. Zoho account, control panel, domain setup. Control panel, domain setup. Zoho domains. This is the domain, right? All domains. Okay, view DNS records. This is the DNS records. Okay. Oh, here. So that's the one. Let's try this. and I'm gonna get the same message, right? Email forwarding is not allowed for this domain. How do I get a custom email? That is so messed up. From now on, I'll never purchase a domain from Shopify. They just restrict everything. They pretend like they own your domain even though you're paying for it. Anyway, um, this is the one message I get. Looks like Shopify doesn't allow this yet either. Do I get with an email with my domain city in Shopify? Email for a third-party email hosting setup. Domain transfer is still the best solution, but oh my goodness. So I can't do a domain transfer for 60 days. Since Shopify blocks direct email setup, use external forwarding. Oh my goodness. Solution 3, subdomain. Email. Try setting up email or subdomain email address. Create subdomain. Add a max. I can't add a max for subdomains. Use a different domain for. Oh my goodness. So I have no flexibility to get a custom domain because I purchased a domain name in Spotify. What kind of bullshit is that? I don't even own the domain right now. If I want to transfer, I need to give them 60 days notice basically. At least oh my goodness. So the last option I have is to create a subdomain. Add a subdomain at support at okay, save. Okay, subdomain is set up. Go to root domain, change domain, redirects to, okay, view. I can't really do anything with this, can I? No way. And that could be a problem that's gonna cost. Go to root domain. Okay. Setting up custom email address. So you will need to use third-party hosting service. Connect to server managed domain. Shopify doesn't provide email hosting self. I know that. Connect, and obviously can't forward. I have current forwarding. Not allowed for this domain. That is exactly the same error I'm getting. I face the same issue, having the same issue. Do this, have a resolve. Or just what? Okay, let's look this. What are my other options to create a custom email with the domain IP was just in Shopify? There must be a way, otherwise it wouldn't. Otherwise, must be a way. Let's see what Claude says. Yeah, it's searching the web. Let me fetch more information for forwarding. 2024, 2025. Same issue, 2 days passed by today. Okay, so everybody's basically same issue. I cannot relate it. Okay, solution would be if we start having live chat. Okay, having same issue. Everybody's having same issue. There's no solution. After talking to somebody using Shopify support, I received a reply saying that the issue was fixed and I added without any errors. Somebody get okay. Let's contact Shopify live chat. Is there live 24 hours live chat? Or is it? There is no sorry, we're unfortunately accessing support. Help center. Intro domain, my account, migrate. Let me try here actually. Is this the help live agent? We are connecting your supervisor, but we might be able to answer the question more quickly. What do you need today? Connect to live person, that's what I need. I am unable to set up MX RDS or email forwarding for my domain PWR purchased with Shopify. Okay. Time goes super quick. Okay, it says domain edit DNS. What the hell? Add MX record setup email format, test the format. If you encounter any issue, ensure that you have correct DNS record as per the email hosting service. If you have process you need third party support. Live agent, because that didn't answer my question. Okay. Share any screenshots. Yes, I can share screenshots. Okay. Copy. Can't set up. What? Can't send an image, I need to download it. Okay. Images. Forwarding issue. There's another one. Setting up MX record. Okay. Attach. Download. Forwarding MX. Ooh, what happened? Attach. It's not. It doesn't want to even attach the files, man. Uploading doesn't work. Waiting for support advisor. Okay, we just need to wait. Because here, where is it gone now? I closed it. But the only way somebody was able to get this sorted was through getting in touch with support. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Useless. Okay. Wait time 5 minutes. Yeah, this is some messed up problem. Can't set up. This is what ChatGPT is slow. It's not working nowadays. Forwarding emails and support. Okay, 2025 email hosting guidance might bypass the restriction. Okay. Go to forward.net, create a free account. Forward email.net. What is this? Okay, that sounds promising, but what is the actual thing? Try adding these records in Shopify DNS. I can't add MX records in Shopify DNS. That is the problem. This forwards email to your Gmail. Option to connect Shopify support directly. I need custom email. Explain you need custom email if they can manually configure and enable email forwarding. That okay, yeah, that is what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. This is gonna be useless. I'm checking if you are still with us. Let me know so you don't lose your support. Yes, I am still waiting. Good. Hey, Van. I am unable to set up custom email with the domain IP or CSCD with Shopify. Can't add MX records or set up forward recording. Okay, let me try to attach now. Open. Attach. I can't even attach a file. Oh, it's a WebP, that's why. It's a WebP. Oh, it's WebP as well. Yeah, probably doesn't support WebP images. Anyway, how long is this guy gonna take? 27 minutes. I think today's live stream is gonna be longer than half an hour because he's gonna take his time to respond. Okay. Let me actually go to YouTube and see how my live stream shows on my channel. Okay, oh, nice. You can see it right here. One person is actually watching. Good. How do I get that thing for the comments if somebody comments on my video? Studio mode. Nope. Yeah, I don't even know. Oh, this guy is taking his time. This is not gonna be done today. Okay. What is a studio mode? Duplicate, scene, cut, fade. Nope. Okay, he's responded. As you're having issue with email forwarding, let me take a look and assist you. I'll be checking in here for you. Like, how long is this going to take? Every answer he takes like 5 minutes. Just being rude right now. Okay. Yeah, hopefully he sorts this out because I've been stuck on this issue for probably an hour. I spent half an hour last time and I'm spending half an hour now. 1 hour stuck on this issue. And what I came to find is that Shopify doesn't allow email forwarding or set MX records, which is obviously responsible for email as well. And yeah, I can't set any of that. It's not allowed. When I try to transfer the domain, they say I can only transfer it in at least 60 days. So I can't even transfer the domain. I don't even have control over this domain anymore. They own it, even though I'm paying them for it. So what is guy checking? I'm checking the admin here and I will take will be taking as a step to set up the email forwarding. Are you gonna allow my account to bypass this limit, or will you be manually setting it up on your end and need the records from me? Okay, let's go Shopify. Domain setup configuration, email configuration. This is what he needs to set up. Oh man, didn't go well. Okay, one. This, and this. Okay. I was supposed to be done by now, but that is the only solution to chat with Shopify. Other solution didn't work. I tried all these forwarding, different domain. I even tried to transfer. That is why I have the information I have right now. I am restricted with purchasing domain from Shopify. That's messed up actually. If I'm paying them, I should own the domain, but no, they want to have full control. It's the same case with crypto and stuff. All these exchanges, they want you to put your crypto in the wallet, in their wallet, so you don't have access to that actual wallet. You just have access to the account. Okay, thank you for sharing all this. I'll look into how I can help you resolve the email forwarding setup issue once that's order. You'll be able to add the recording based on your domain provider. Does that sound good? Yes, that's great. How long do you think this will take? And do I need to be present in this chat? Set it up. Look at this design, such a good design. It's clean. Okay. Yeah, so as I was saying, like crypto exchanges, they own your coins, because if you don't have it in your private wallet or a hard wallet, you don't own them. It's just there as a number in your account. You can transfer, you can sell them, but if something happens to the actual service, for example Coinbase, you are gone. You lose all your crypto that you have in the account. It's the same case here. Shopify is owning my address and I don't have access to it. I can't set up MX records, I can't transfer it. That's messed up. And this guy's taking his time. This video is gonna be long, and I'm still live streaming actually. I even forgot about that. Okay, I don't know what to do. The only thing I can do is wait for this guy. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'll chat to this guy. I'll stop the live stream. So today 12, it was pretty much the same issue that I'm trying to debug as day 11. I'm gonna stop the live stream now. 35 minutes. I mean, if anybody is watching, take care. See you in the next one.